Hey, Shopify merchants, I'm going to show you, oh God, popcorn. Okay, we are going to, what are we going to do? We're going to show you how to get your product images into an email using Canva. We've got this nice little ad here, your new must-have lip balm, and we're going to put a product image in here and maybe a graphic or something. So, yeah, let's get this image in here, and let's ditch the background image. Such a great tool. All right, so let's crop this up here just a little bit. Let's blow it up just a little. Let's just get one more thing in here. Let's get a circle in here. And we're going to go white. And let's just send it kind of behind and just kind of bring the transparency down just a little bit here. And now the fun begins. Let's send this over to Shopify. So we hit export design to product. And we're just going to send this one here. Let's go for JPEG. Go into email, hit export. And I'm going to need some popcorn. All right. It's quicker than I thought. All right, we're over here in the email. Let's go image and the image. Select an image. Go for lip balm. Look at that. New image is already there. And just like that, we got ourselves a new image in an email from Canva into Shopify. Easy peasy.